Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this short video I'm going to tell you about some CorelDRAW settings or CorelDRAW options which can be useful. So to begin with, presently you're seeing the welcome screen of CorelDRAW, and let's say if you don't want this welcome screen at the beginning when you open the CorelDRAW application, you can simply go to Tools, Options and go to CorelDRAW, and from this particular option, general option, you can simply go to the drop down menu and you can select whatever option you want, or you can simply select nothing. So nothing will open, only the main interface or the layout will be directly displayed. Also, as we have opened the general tab, we can also see the undo levels which are presently 150. You can change it to your requirements, and just remember, if you increase the undo levels, it will be a bit stressful on your computer RAM, so keep that in mind and you can change it accordingly. After that, let's say if you want to change default setting of all the tools, then you can simply go to Tools, Options and Tools. Then you will be able to see all the default settings of each of the tools. So you can check the setting, and if you want to change it, then you can change the default setting. But remember, only change it if you are 100% sure that you don't if you want to change it. Otherwise, keep it to keep the values as it is, the default values. But if you are sure about what you want to do, you can simply change the values by using this Tools option. Again, if you go to Tools, Options and Customization, again we see some interesting options. For example, if you want to change the appearance of CorelDRAW, you can simply select the theme like this, medium, dark or black. Whatever theme you may like, you can keep it. So I'm presently going back to the default light option. Again, you can change the size, all the options, command bars, whatever toolbars do you want, like this. If you want tools, you can simply add it from here. Again, there are some color palette settings which you can explore. And again, if you go to Tools, Options, we also have some workspace options, like what type of workspace you want, but the same options are present over here, like this, over here also, and same options are present in workspace. If you go to global, you will see some language setting, print setting, file location, file formats, raster. So if you want to go dig deep, you can check all these options. But for beginners, you can check all the options which are present in the options menu, and keep in mind that if you want to change the default values, you can change it by using the options value. So I hope this video is useful for you and you like the video. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.